Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to reset your Firefox. There may be a couple of reasons why you'd be interested in resetting in the first place. Maybe you have some sort of messy settings, or you've messed something up. You want to reboot your Firefox, you want to give it like a fresh new energy. Basically you want to go back to square zero. So you may want to restart anything that you may have set up. So how do you do that if you wish to, in order to do that? The menu that we're going to be dealing with is a little bit scary, but if you follow through with the video, I don't reckon it's going to be that much of an issue. So it is actually, as usual, fairly simple. You see this little menu right here with the 3 lines. You want to click on that. But instead of going to options or settings the way we usually do, you're gonna want to go to help. As we've discussed before in some of the videos, Firefox is usually more help-based, specifically for updating, which I've explained in another video. You could check that out if you want. Now, for resetting Firefox, we want to go to troubleshooting information. The menu that you're going to be seeing here is a little bit scary, like it's got some almost boot-like fonts and colors and things like that. Don't be scared, just go all the way up and you see this little thing here. It says give Firefox a tune-up, refresh Firefox. So you press that, you wait, so it's restarting. So it's going to re-import anything you may have done, and then all new. As you may see, I'm still logged in, but any sort of issues or bugs or messy things like that will have been solved. So that is how you reset your Firefox. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.